Let's talk about a four-stroke engine for a moment. This is called a pickup tube, and if you remember, it went right here and was connected to the carburetor. As I turn this, if you'll notice this valve right here just opened. Can you see that? Okay. It's a door. If you think of a valve as a door, and the piston is on its downward stroke, and it's creating a vacuum. It's pulling a vacuum, so the air from outside the engine and the fuel is going to go through this tube, through this door, and into this chamber. Okay? That's how that works. This is called a flathead or an L engine because if you notice, these two and then down is the shape of an L.
Gotcha.
Where an overhead valve has the valves and the spark plug in the head. Okay? So we're going to go down. Okay? And now this is filled with air and fuel. And notice
the door is closed.
The door is closed. At this point, both doors are closed.
Yes.
And this is coming back up. This is called the compression cycle. We're compressing the air and the fuel. Okay? They have found that air and fuel compressed is a lot more explosive.
Oh.
Okay? And right about here, just before top dead center, okay, at the very top of the stroke, they found that between 10 and 5 degrees before the completion of the stroke, if they hit it with that spark plug, okay, remember the spark plug's right here?
Yes, correct.
It's going to put a charge or an electrical spark into it and ignite that right about there. This is called the power stroke. Again, both doors are still closed.
Correct.
And it just got kicked down to the bottom. That's the power. So now we're on the upward stroke, and that's the exhaust. It's coming. This piston is now forcing itself back up, and forcing the exhaust gases out this door and out this port. And that's, if you remember, what was connected right here. The muffler. Right?
Yes.
So this is. So let's do it one more time. The door just opened, and we're on the downward stroke, and that's a vacuum pulling the air and the gas through the pickup tube into here. Okay. Now we're going to compress it because the piston's coming back up, and right about here we're going to get an electrical charge. That's the timing I was talking about up here. Okay. The electric and mechanical timing of this engine.
The timing.
And now both doors are closed. We had an electrical charge. This is the power stroke, shooting it back down.
And it opens this door.
And now as this piston comes back up, we're going to get rid of these exhaust gases out the exhaust.
Yes.
Boom. 4 strokes.
Okay.
Is that cool?
Wow.
That's how that works. We'll catch you on the next one.
See you on the next one.
Excellent.